Wanna know how to make your ultimates unmissable in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you and explain you how you can easily make your ultimate unmissable so that you can easily win battles and the game itself. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, missing your ultimate loses games. So the trick isn't aiming better, it's setting the table. So never use damage ultimate on its own. Always combine it with a crowd control ability from your team itself. So wait for your ass to knock them up, your Khan to grab someone, or any other hero to stun them. A stun target cannot dodge. So if you don't have a CC on your team, buy the item Power Snap from your inventory. So we have also created a video on how to buy inventories or buy items, so make sure to watch it. So you need to do that to slow them first. Or guaranteed, full damage ultimate is better than a risky high damage one. And that's it. Follow my steps and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.